lockdown is going on and you are preparing for your IMO-CET, right? And you are thinking that you have completed all the preparation, but to meet a conclusion it is important to analyze your preparation. So if you want to know how to analyze your preparation, then this video is absolutely for you. Stay tuned till last. I will show you each and everything how you analyze your preparation. Welcome back to my channel. Way too much in you guys once again. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Today's topic is going to be very important. I will show you one free website from where you can appear for online examination for IMO-CET preparation, and you can answer 200 questions, and you can generate your report, and you can analyze the preparation. And the website is free and also paid, means some facilities you will get absolutely free and some others are premium facilities. For that you have to pay a certain amount of money, and that is not so much. So I will tell you each and everything, but before that, one thing I want to tell you, that if you think that your preparation is complete, which is practically impossible, what I feel, because 100% preparation is not possible, but at least 80 to 85% preparation can open the door for IMO-CET. So but important part is that preparation must be analyzed briefly and very briefly basically. So that is why the website is for you. Now we'll move to my laptop screen and we'll see each and everything about the website and how to appear, and each and every tutorial I'll give you. To stay tuned till last to watch the video. We are in my laptop screen. You can see this is the link. This link I'll provide to you in my description box, so you can directly direct to this website. So you can see that is IMO-CET mock test 2020, right? So here you will find the mock test. Here is total 10 mock test is available. The first one is free. Afterwards all 9 are paid. You have to unlock it, and for that you have to pay certain amount, that is 129 rupees for 30 days. So I would recommend that you can take this plan, because within 30 days it is possible to appear for all the mock tests. Otherwise you can do only one free test, that is also fine. But if you want to practice more, that is okay, and 129 is not a big amount, so you can go ahead with that. That is my recommendation. Now up to you. And here is physics, differently you can appear, that is free. Chemistry also there, 2 tests available, but this is small test, but still you can appear. This is basically the topic wise test. Okay, apart from that you will get several details over here, like IMO-CET results and what kind of cutoffs in for the last year. If the details you can find. So now we will move to the main topic. So I will show you how to appear for the test, that is IMO-CET mock 1. okay, just click here start test, then you have to sign in. okay, just go and log in with your profile. See, I have logged in. okay, now this is the basic instruction, you can read by yourself later on, that if you have answered this question, that it will be green, red, so color code is there. Then you should go for next, and this is the marks division, and as per the same marks division you will get the test in your screen. Now just click this policy and I am ready to begin. okay, now I will show you. First is English, fill in the blanks. Bravery of Lakshmi Bai is praiseworthy. okay, so the bravery, that will be the answer I think. If you have any doubt you can do that. Mark for review and next, means see here the yellow mark. okay, means again you can come back to this question later on if you have any doubt, and you can change your answer. okay, so my answer is the, and if you are very much sure about that you can press save and next. Afterwards also you can change the answer, there is no issue, but marked and review is for your identification that you have that doubt. okay, and each question consists of 1 marks as per the IIMO CET syllabus, and there is no negative marking. And you can see in the upper side there is a timer is available for 3 hours. So now I have already completed my 1 minute, that is what it is showing. Okay, so and apart from that you can go several topics like general knowledge, general aptitude, chemistry, mathematics 15 marks, and physics. These 6 subjects are there. You can appear as per your convenient. If you first want to finish with general knowledge, you can definitely go ahead with that, and you have that option to mark each and every question as per your requirement. So I think this part is absolutely okay. Even you can jump, suppose you want to select or you want to attempt number 14 in general knowledge, then general knowledge number 12, okay, suppose. So see, number 12 question is there. Now after completion all the question, if you are sure, you can go and submit this test. Are you sure to submit this test? Yes, you can press submit the test. And now you can see number of question 200, not answered 7, answered 1. So I have visited 8 questions. Among that I have just answered 1 question and not visited 192 questions. Okay, so you have to visit all the question and try to answer all the questions. Okay, then proceed. Afterwards, this is your home page. All the things you can find over here. Here you can see you versus topper. So there is a name, you can see Himanshu Rai. He is the topper. He has scored 200 out of 200. So this is the comparison between you and Himanshu. Okay, and that is the your all India rank also here. Means all India rank in the sense 921 candidates already appeared for this examination. Among that 800 is your rank with only 1 score. Okay, that is just a demo, nothing. So leaderboard you can see. So in top 20 114, but I would recommend to get score at least 70%. Okay, and this is your dashboard. Apart from it, you can see the individual marks over here. See, I have attempted 1 question in English and that is correct, so accuracy is 100%. Apart from that, I didn't attempt any other questions in any other sections, but I have visited. Okay, that is the time has been counted. So it will show you each and every accuracy as well as your correct, your attempted, and how much time you have taken for each and every section. You can find from here. Apart from that, you can get a chart or a graph from there. You can also analyze your performance. After completion of your course, you can get a batch that is strongest, weakest, fastest and slowest. Okay, so that is the thing. And segregation you will find after the examination is completed. Another 3 things I want to show you in this page. First thing, if you want to share this dashboard with your faculty or any other, what you have to do is you just copy this link, okay, this URL, and send to your faculty or anyone, so he can click on this link and he just need to log in to visit this dashboard, so he can also assess your progress and your marks. Okay, another thing you can do, you can see all the solutions from here. See the bravery. Okay, so I don't want to show you the answers, otherwise it will be not helpful for you, but here you will find the solutions. If any doubt, you can see. The last thing I want to show you, that is the download report. So you just need to press here download report and you will get 12 reports. Okay, so I have downloaded. So this type of report you will get, my performance. Okay, after download this report, you will find the brief report over here. So you can download this report also, and there you will find all correct answers and everything you will find. So I think you have liked the video. I don't want to show the correct answer, otherwise there will be no meaning. So I think this is fine for you guys. You have understood the video, please go for it. It will be very helpful for you, and if possible you can go for the premium version also, so you can at least get 10 mock test practices online. That is very important for you guys. So I think you have understood each and everything. Video already has been very long. I will not elongate this one. If you have liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming video. That's all for the day. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.